In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur a face in Capcut. So the first thing you need to do to blur a face in the video is to, add your video to the timeline, okay? So this is the video we're going to work on. You can just drag it, or you click on the plus sign, you will see right here. So I'm going to mute the audio here. So if you want to remove a part of the video, I'm going to remove this part. We don't need it, just remove it. So this is the video we're going to work on, okay? So in this video, I'm going to blur my face here. This is me right here. I'm going to blur my face. So to do that is very simple. It's not that complicated, okay? So we're going to use an effect called your face mosaic. So make sure you click on the body effect. Don't click on video effect. You click on body effect, okay? So we click on body effect, and you tap on face mosaic. This is the one right here, and then you will see right here, this is the one you're going to use. All you need to do is to drag into the video. You can drag it, if you want to do the entire video, or you can also just add it here. By doing this, it means if you want to cover just this part, you cover this part. If you want to cover the whole video, you do this as well, okay? I just prefer to just drag it, since we're gonna do the whole video. So I will drag it to the whole video. So as you can see here, my face is blurred, and you can adjust the range right here. This is the range, okay? Or the size. If you want to adjust the size, you do it like this, it'll be more blurry, okay? So this is not that blurry, but if you increase it, it's more blurry, so this is how you do it. So I'm gonna play the video. You see my face is blurred, even though I move my head, it's still blur. So that's exactly how you blur a face in the video using CapCut. This is a CapCut on desktop. Thanks for watching, guys.